Hi guys, this one GTAB Q5 Android Kids tablet. This one is very good quality Android tablet for the kids. So today I teach you and show you how to this Q5 Android tablet upgrade. Q5 Android tablet coming two motherboard. One is MTK motherboard, other one SP motherboard. So now I show you just only MTK motherboard how to upgrade. So this is motherboard, is MTK motherboard. I show you inside which IC have, and that was the motherboard serial number and version. So this is MTK motherboard. This is a MediaTek CPU and MMC is a Samsung. So CPU number MT6582V and MMC is a Samsung MMC 512 8GB. This mainboard backside have a speaker and a mic IC. This one MTK motherboard. This motherboard only support SP flash tool. Other flash tools cannot support. So now I show you how do you upgrade this Q5 Android tablet and how to set up tools and driver. Everything I show you step by step making. Upgrade before must need your device close. Without close cannot upgrade. And must need battery full charge. And USB also need properly working. If a USB not working properly or damaged, some cannot connecting USB. Here I have driver and tools. Driver open before must need USB driver install. Without USB driver install cannot update. Also cannot connecting your device. USB driver already installed, so now I open flash tools. Now which model you want to upgrade, select your forward file, then is OK. Now I click download start button. So now I push USB cable. USB cable now already I push inside. Now start download. So when is 100% complete, then you power open. So this one already upgrade finished and now is opening. So viewers, you know how to MTK motherboard download and how to tools setup. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and click the bell icon.